welcome to JJB Tech, and this is another video for you. I'm going to be unboxing the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug. This is by TP-Link. What made me pick this up today was I'm trying to do some automation with my Christmas lights and the Christmas tree. So I saw this on sale at Best Buy and decided I'd go ahead and pick it up. So let's get into it, guys. As you can see, it gives you the name here, Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Outdoor Plug. And on the side, some interesting information here. Let me see if I can tighten up the font here. There we go. Is that better? Should be good. Okay, so basically it says that it has double the outlets, so it's two-sided. That was definitely a interesting feature for me. Weather resistant, of course, is going to be outside, and this IP64 rating ensures your device will be protected against rain and dust, weather resistant cover included. Of course, the reason we all do automation is to control it from wherever we are. Voice control, hands-free control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and no hub required. That's a good thing. No hub required. And let's see, home automation. Excuse me. Let's get that in focus there. Home automation, set up schedules, create scenes and groups, and simulate occupancy while away with away mode. So those are the features that made me want to pick this up. So let's see what's in the box, guys. Okay. Opening up the box here. Let's see here. Looks like this is the plug. And looks like a quick step guide to set this up here. Install Kasa app, add Kasa, and install and power up. Okay. Let's move this here. Looks like it's a type of attachment to hold it up against the wall. You can screw it into the wall outside, and those are just some pieces to go with that. And let's see here. This is the smart plug. Says it has like a 6.5-inch cord cable. A little bit bigger than I expected here. So let's see. Yeah, just a little bit bigger than what I expected. Has 3 buttons here on the top, and I think it's used for powering on one side or the other, and then you have the Wi-Fi button in the middle, so you can power on the left side, power on the right side, and that's pretty much it, guys. So now that I have this, oh, I'm sorry, here's the cover in case you're just using one side, and you can leave the cover on the other side to protect against the weather. So that's pretty much it, guys. So let me pause the video and get back to you once I set it up. Okay, guys. Now I used the quick start guide that came in the box, and it told me to search for the Kasa Smart app. Currently installing this application on my phone. I'm a first-time user of any TP-Link or Kasa products, so definitely sure I'm going to have to set up some type of account once everything is downloaded and installed. So I'll just sit here and let this app install. Looks like it's not going to take too long. I definitely don't like to hold you guys up with installing apps. But for you guys that are new to this app as well, just like I am, you know, it's no matter. It's just as simple as just going to the App Store and looking for the app so far. And as you can see, it's currently installing. So let's give it a minute here. Okay, as you can see, it's currently installing. Okay, that was pretty quick. Of course, the speeds depend on your Wi-Fi or your connection, your service connection for your cell phone or whatever you're installing this app on. As you can see, it says open, and I'm gonna go ahead here and click on the open button. Okay, now that I've clicked on the open button, you get this welcome screen, and you're gonna create an account. So basically, I'm gonna create an account, and once I create the account, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, as you can see, I did create the account. Now I have to set up a device. Okay, right now I'm gonna add in a device. And as you can see, I want to add the smart plug. So I'm going to select the smart plug option. And at the bottom here, you'll see smart plug outdoor. So now it's taking me through the steps of setting up the plug. I'm going to select next from the bottom. Well, first of all, I have to plug the smart plug into a wall. Then I'm going to select the next. So give me 1 second here. Let me plug it in. And then I'm going to click the next button. Okay. And it's asking me here, do I see an orange and green on the Wi-Fi light? So basically it's flashing orange and green. So I just have to make sure I lean over here and verify that, which it does look to be flashing orange and green. Okay, now guys, I confirmed that it was flashing orange and green. It says connecting. Okay, it did find the smart plug. At this point, I'm going to select the connect option. It says connection successful. And here you're going to find my Wi-Fi name. Now I have to type in the password for my Wi-Fi name. Okay, guys, I got that set up. It was connected. And now I can go ahead and set up the both sides of my spark plug. This is pretty simple here. Gonna select one side, and then once I select one side, I'll give that side a name. Okay, guys, I'm gonna name this Outdoor Plug 1, or Outdoor 1, sorry. Okay, got that set up. I'll select an icon for it. I'm going to use the Christmas lights here because ironically I'm doing it for Christmas lights. So now that one's set up. Now I'm going to set up the second side. I'm going to name that simply Outdoor 2. Again, I'm going to select an icon. Why not use Frosty? Because I'm using, again, this for Christmas lights. Okay, guys. Looks like I have both sides set up with their icons. And I'm finalizing the setup here. It says, congratulations, you're connected or you set up pretty much. So now, looks like I got a firmware update as well. I'm going to go ahead and do this update here. Give it some time to set up. Once I did that, update was completed. And welcome to Smart Plug Outdoor, or excuse me, welcome to Smart Outdoor Plug. And basically, I'm swiping through just the different things about the smart plug. Kind of read those up initially when I opened the box here. Individual controls. Okay, you can set up scenes and actions. Also, you can use Amazon Echo or any smart assistant. Definitely going to use the Google Assistant myself. Okay, guys, I finally finished setting everything up here. So I wanted to test this. I'm trying to think of a creative way to do this. So basically, I'm just going to already set it up to my Google Home. So just check that out. So this is my test. Hey, Google, turn on front yard. Sure, turning 2 outlets on. Okay, guys, as you can see, I used the Google command and it turned on the lights outside. Okay, now I'm going to try to turn them off. Okay, Google, turn off front yard. All right, turning off 2 outlets. Okay, guys, there it goes. It turned off the lights on the outside here. So as you can see, it works pretty good. Just wanted to show you guys that I got it set up and got everything working. So it's a simple automated way of getting your lights to turn off and on, especially Christmas lights during this holiday time. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful evening.